Hello friends, today I will show you Ganzo Multitool. It's top model from Ganzo. Also I can talk about G302. It's cheaper model but also with some tools. So in this video we will see difference between one and other and maybe cut something. So let's see how it works. So as you see, we have an instrument of fixed each part. Only one problem what I saw here, it's size. It's really little knife, really little serrator and all other, and also it's not very little size all it. So if you need cut and only cut, you can get a lot of other models for cutting. Safe model, as I show you, with good quality, good steel, and all will be fine. If you want to repair something, use other instrument, also I show it. I bought it separately, about $5. If I broke this part, I will replace it for each and other. You saw the difference between chip model without instrument of fixing each instrument, and you saw top model from Ganzo. If you want more photos, they will be there in text review. Also will be linked to international site of Ganzo where you can bought it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.